आणि तशेंच माझे दोन मुद्दे आयज हांव उलोवन सांगूंक सोदता. पयले सुवातेर देव बरें करूं आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांक, ज्या लोकांनी एक डेमोक्रेसीच्या नांवान आपले मन जे केले, कोण पॉलिटिशियन बा कोण चोयना आसतना शुअर तेमी माइंड सेट केले. आणि हांवें मदें एक 15-20 दीस पयले म्हणलेले, आता कितलेय तुम्ही एनी एलिगेशन तुम्ही कोणाचेरूय घाला, एनी ट्विस्ट तुम्ही कितलेय दिया. जेन्ना कॅप्टन विर्यातोचेर थोडी एलिगेशनां येयली, that time also I made it very clear that whatever allegation may come today, they will get nullified because लोकांनी already मनान घेतले and it was set that this time we want an activist to get transformed from activism from the roadside to the parliament. आणि हे शुअर जातले अशें म्हज्या मनानूय आसले आनी ते हांवें स्पश्ट केल्ले. सो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सगळ्या गोंयकारांक. ऑल्दो I should concentrate on South, but I want to congratulate every person who came out to vote. That is the first thing. And I thank every person in South Goa who pressed the button with a vengeance against the democracy that is being lost to till yesterday. As maga, I thought that I am breathing. Why I am breathing? Because इतल्या जोरान तो 3 नंबर दामलो आणि डायरेक्ट जो बायोलॉजिकल देव म्हणटालो तो आज बायोलॉजिकल मनशा फुड्यान मान भागयता. आणि हे येऊन म्हाका तर इतली खुशालकाय दिसली की ऑल इंडिया लेवलाचेर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक लोकांक दिसता आयज दॅट नाव वी आर सेफ बिकॉज दॅट 3/4 मेजॉरिटी 400 पार हे सगळे आता कापूस जालो. सो देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सावथाच्या लोकांक चड करून. आणि मोर ओवर झिरोइंग डावन ऑन पीपल फ्रॉम साश्टी बिकॉज दिस इलेक्शन हांवें पळयलें it was not an election fought by a particular party, whether it is maybe Congress or India Alliance. This was no more left in the hands of the party people, party president, nobody. हे त्यांच्या हातीतले झूज लोकांनी काढून घेतले आणि लोकांक झूज मांडले. लोक येयलो रस्त्यार. चड करून सावथाच्या लोकांक सांगले आम्ही कोणाक वळखना. हे पावटी वी आर गोइंग टू वोट अगेन्स्ट द पीपल हू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. And that is how this battle was taken over in the hands of the people of South Goa. Number one. Number two, now that we have tasted the blood of fielding activists in Goa, and we succeeded along with all the people, the civil society, the intelligence people, the social activists, social workers. एकूच माझी विनंती असतली, let us be all united together for the days to come. I understand there are some parties who have made a commitment that the alliance at the national level was only for the national Lok Sabha elections, and they were also fielding differently in different states. Fine, that's okay. Where one party is very strong, they might have not gone into alliance, like Aam Aadmi Party did not go. But they have learned their lesson, they have burned their fingers. So it will be better that we come together. And since we have tasted the good blood of activists, and that we did not perform so well in the north to fight against the people who are against the constitution, I think it could be a good idea in the future. We could also think about new activists and groom them from day to day. There are a lot of activists in Goa. For example, at least what come to my mind immediately, there are many of course, is like people like Swapnesh Shelekar is there, who is fighting for Goa. So we want people, activists like this, and we can henceforth transform this whole of Goa from activism to either in the assembly or to the parliament. देव बरें करूं आनीक एक फावटी सगल्यांक.